All right, this is Blue Collar Tourist Part 2 in Vegas. This is the Gold Coast. This is just a comped room. Gold Coast is about a mile off the strip, right across the street from the Palms and the Rio. You got to take an Uber, you can walk, but it's hot and look, Vegas is a little sketchy, right? You know, uh, big TV, all these lamps. They all got all the plugs in them, USB, USB-C, all that stuff, and a power outlet. So that's nice for all your stuff. You got a little safe down there. The iron and ironing board. There's a mini fridge, not a mini bar, but a mini fridge. King size bed. They save money by giving you 3 pillows instead of 4 pillows, whatever that's about. Like I said, there's a lamp with the all the plugs. So the Gold Coast, look, this is a blue collar casino, locals only kind of, not locals only, but locals place. Locals only. It's like a surfing thing. And just to get the bearings, that's the Palms right there, If you've never been to Vegas, that's the Palms, and out in the pyramid is the Luxor. That's Mandalay Bay. To the left is the Rio. You can't see it. This place has a pool, kind of small, like the Three's Company pool kind of thing. California apartment building, old style kind of place. It's still nice, This is clean. Everything's clean. Nothing crawling around. The AC works. It's quiet. And what I really like about this place is it's low roller, like you can play 1 to 2 cent Ultimate X, video poker. I just hit 4 of a kind. It's the second time I've done it here on Ultimate Texas Hold'em, the card game. So it's like $5 a bet, $5 bets. You're not going to get it any lower. Maybe it's $3 at Jerry's or some Jerry's Nugget or something like that. I heard it's even cheaper over there, but you're a mile away from the strip. There's a bowling alley here. Cornerstone Restaurant is pretty good. They got like a happy hour deal for appetizers, which is pretty good. It's affordable. I think it's $8 for all that happy hour shit. Breakfast is served till 3 in the afternoon, and it's like $14 for breakfast, lunch kind of deal at the Cornerstone. You got Ping Pang Pong, which is a great Chinese food place. There's a noodle shop. They used to have a Fridays, but they shut that place down. And there's a bowling alley, and the bowling alley's cool. I like this place. It's a locals place, but you see the same people. They come here almost every day, a lot of these people. So it's kind of like, neighborhood bar kind of place. It's old school. Give it a try. I mean, you don't have to come to Vegas and spend all that crazy money, to have a good time. This is different than the strip. If you want to pay strip prices, go to the Rio. It's right across the street, and the Palms, and all that shit's here. So you could, take the Instagram pictures or whatever. I don't know. But this place is good. It's probably one, honestly, it's probably I would, I would say it's probably one of my favorite casinos, to be honest with you. I don't know why. I just get lucky here. So it's only a mile, I guess, west of the strip, and then there's actually another one called Suncoast. They're part of Boyd, so they got the Suncoast, the California, I think Main Street Station downtown. I think they got a couple in Mississippi, or they're big out here, but kind of off strip. Think like the Orleans, those kind of places. Look, I'm going to be staying 19 days in Vegas. It's going to cost me $600 out of my pocket. Some of these rooms are comped, some are comped, and I got to do the resort fee. Look, it's cheaper than an Airbnb. You can nickel and dime with video poker, or, whatever your game of choice is. But I don't know. Right now I'm in a flux in between getting a place or I got to figure out what's going to happen here. But either way, that's the Palms. I'm going to check that place out tonight. There's a Raiders stadium in the background over there. And I don't know, check out Vegas. It is kind of slower. This is Friday night, going into Friday night for the Labor Day weekend, 2025. It's not crazy here. I think things have definitely cooled off. I did see when I was at Paris and Horseshoe, they were playing $10 Ultimate Texas Hold'em, and I've seen it like 25 before, you know. So don't think the Strip is doing that well right now. But come on out, you know. You can go. Oh, there's a over across the street. There's a CVS. There's a Denny's. There's a Wahoo's. I don't know what that Wahoo's is. I think it's a chicken joint or something. But I think you can play, you know, if you need another place to play poker or whatever. So there's everything you need is right here. You know, it's all right here. You're off the Strip, but everything you need is within walking distance. Rio's got a couple. They got a food court and a decent restaurant or two. The Palms does as well. Palms has a good buffet, I think. I might check that out even. All right, Blue Collar Tourist. Like and subscribe.